Hey guys, it's Metro, and today we're going to talk about how you can clean your rain gear using Nikwax. So over time, as you use your rain gear, yes, it is helpful in keeping the rain off of you, but most likely it's a heat shield keeping that sweat inside. So over time, this rain gear is going to start to stink, so you're going to have to take some precautions and obviously clean that over time using Nikwax, and I'm going to show you some quick tips on how to do that.
Alright, so this is the Helium 2 Outdoor Research Rain Jacket. It's made of Pertex. I'm actually going to be washing this with Gore-Tex in this particular episode. But again, this is how to wash your rain jacket using the Nikwax Tech Wash and also the Direct Wash-In to help bring back that water repellency. So the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and get the water somewhat warm to the hand, so it's not too hot. Enough to put your hand in there. It says add 1.7 ounces. I'm saying roughly it's probably a capful. Now I have not washed this rain jacket, I don't think ever. I've never washed it, I should say. So it was starting to smell a little ripe because, as you know, rain jackets tend to keep the sweat in, so it's perfect time to go ahead and start washing this jacket. So I'm going to submerge this in the water. So the Outdoor Research is, I think it's called Pertex, and this is called Gore-Tex, but for this episode, this will work in the same batch, so I'm going to go ahead and put both of them in here. Again, I've never washed either one of these, so I can only imagine how they smell to others. And obviously you get blind to your own funky smells. Doesn't look like it's too bad, but it gives you an idea. Again, looking at the water, the sweat that comes off of this stuff. So it is very important. I mean, not only to take care of these particular items, but also just so you don't stink, and also to help bring back some of that water repellency, especially with the TX Direct wash-in, as we're going to put in just a few seconds. But you have to clean it first, so you want to agitate it. Alright, so after it's had a chance to get agitated within the water, as you can see, it's time to rinse this out. Okay, so you want to rinse this out at least 4 times. Alright, so for the second portion, you don't have to wait for these to dry. Just make sure you rinse them off at least 3 or 4 times with the rain jackets. But this is what we need to do, is to apply this direct wash-in to help revive the water repellency and breathability of these rain jackets. So same thing, hot water, touch. We want to add 1.7 ounces. Again, it's roughly a capful. Put these into the direct wash-in. Now for this, they said to submerge it for about 5 to 10 minutes. Alright, so after it's been sitting in the water for about 5 minutes. You're gonna wanna drain this and then rinse. Hang it up in the shower area, hang dry wherever you want to. Dry it up, and you should be good to go. So air dry, hanging it up, do not put it in the dryer.
So if you found any value in this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and send me your comments as I do respond. As always, thanks for watching, but until next time, let's keep moving.